museum.
I've made
whole area, all of Rome.
I've made orange lotion.
Nice.
So my hands are going to smell very citrus-like.
Love it. It'll bring back the springtime in the winter. It's perfect.
Exactly. So that was the goal when I was developing this concoction.
Love it. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Jack.
I've made
Okay, let's see Jack's finished product with his orange scented. He even used the Commit to Excellence sticker.
I did.
Yay!
So I got myself a selfie sticker and
Oh.
a cat sticker in the back.
Fabulous. Fire! Flame delights, right? It's all about light up your life, man. Okay, let's see.
Ducky.
Oh, it's a ducky she put. That's so cute. Oh, thank you.
And it's purple because they're lavender scents that I'm.
Oh, fab. Great idea. Great idea.